She has a face mask on as she's riding a bicycle. Does this count as a face mask? Does this count on it? I feel like this would be the best thing. People, doctors and stuff, they need to start wearing helmets. Motorcycle helmets, man, that'd be lit. Imagine you getting surgery done on your ass and dude with a motorcycle helmet like this pops in and is about to do surgery on you. How amazing would that be? He's got a bandana. Now he's got like a sleeve that he tore off that he has. This guy's got nothing on. No, 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 none of them. They're gang over there. Not a single thing on their face. But see, that's why motorcycle riding shouldn't be a problem for anyone. You on a motorcycle, you got a helmet on, unless you live like in Florida, where they're like, they don't give an F about anything, and they wear nothing. But for us people in California, or my bad, Mexico, we wear helmets all the time. I ain't? Nah. And then, with an old dude in it, Rickles McGee. Oh, rider. Oh, it could be a cop though, never mind. I'm just saying, imagine this, like all doctors and stuff wearing this. How amazing would that be? Now, is that a cop? I don't know. Is that a girl? I can't tell. Oh, that was stop. Look back, man, that's riding insane! The man of your dreams! Oh, you see, he cracked that neck. He's about to get down with me. I don't know, as a motorcycle rider, I can never ride like that. A bike like that with all those stuff on the side. Now, I know a lot of people be doing it because they have to. They can't afford a car, things like that. But if I had the money and stuff like that, I wouldn't be able to even do that. Because I know a lot of people also have that when they don't, when they do have money, they just like touring bikes and stuff, man. Stop. Like a full so bad. Now look at all these people I seriously don't see a difference with the whole coronavirus or not. There's more people out on the streets. I still see cars on the road, and what's the difference? What's changed, man? What's changed? Besides everybody looking like they're about to rob a bank, I don't see any difference, you know, because of face masks and stuff. That's the only difference I see. God, I've missed this bike. Homie, there's nobody there, man! Is you blind? Is you blind? Let's see, old Asian couples, they used to be out all the time anyways. I don't see any difference here. Que pasa the difference? Ooh, there's stuff up there. We're going up there. I don't know if you guys remember, we came here a long time ago to do some videos. This whole place is open now. What up, shorty? And if you notice, it's all the old people that are outside. I don't see any young bloods outside, besides myself. Still, I can't let go of this idea. Motorcycle helmets for surgeons. How amazing would that be? Just think about it, man. Just think about it. Instead of seeing people's ugly faces like that, you would see this. Imagine this walks in to your surgery room. How is that gonna feel, huh? How would that feel? Man, they build houses quick. Volleyball court, a lot of booty's gonna be slapping cheeks over there. Like I'm happy I went with the Ducati, Broly right here. But sometimes when I see hills like that, I'm like, damn, if we only had a supermoto, how amazing would that be? Nobody here? These brakes be screeching a lot though. What that about? What that about, huh? Man, it is such a beautiful day. It's been raining non-stop like a mug. I'm just happy that today, on a Saturday, the sun is hitting us like a mug right now. Tanning my already brown booty. It just feels good. Feels good. Soaked up all the squirts on the road, and all we're left with is sunny, peachy days. I don't know, like none of that even made sense. Oh, Ferrari. Okay, so supercars are out, huh? Because everyone's home.
I'm a Dragon Balls.
But the main thing I wanted to let you guys know is that everything's going pretty well. It kind of sucks with the whole coronavirus going down on us. I had so many plans, man, and they all just went vroom. Well, they ain't go bad. They just been delayed. Like for my work, I'm one of the fortunate people that I work in the IT field. So the cool part, not the dorky programmer coding crap. Hell no. I would never do that. But the cool part of IT, and trust me, there is a cool part of IT, because if I'm in it, that means it's cool. But luckily, I'm somebody who can work from home. So for me, my daily life hasn't changed as much, because a lot of people, where they're just sitting at home with nothing to do, I'm sitting at home, and from morning to like evening, I'm just on my laptop, my company laptop, you know, grinding up, twerking it on the laptop, joining calls. Man, I feel like such an old geezer whenever I'm talking to people from work and doing all these work calls and stuff like that. But that's another topic, man. But I'm just gonna say this. One thing for everyone out there who's gonna join a corporate lifestyle soon, of working and stuff like that, coming out of college and stuff, it's nothing like they describe it in like TV shows and the outside world. It's nothing like that at all. It's not cool. It's not pimping. You don't see big booty girls everywhere. You don't see handsome men at places. You see stinky people, dumb people, old people, cultural gaps, generational gaps. Like, the show The Office has really steered me wrong. But that's one thing that really hit me hard, man. Life is not what it seems on TV and on Instagram and stuff like that when it comes to living in a corporate world and stuff. Can't really change that, because you need the guap, the moolah, cash money. But at least for today, as soon as I get home, I'm gonna strip it all down, bubble bath. After the bubble bath, we're gonna start editing videos tonight. Backstreet Boys, right? Or is that NSYNC? I don't know. Tonight, let's get this party started tonight. I love saying that. Crap on the block. No, stop it! Not coronavirus. I just screeched too loud. El Corona. Del Corona. Is Corona a girl or boy in Spanish? Is it La Coronavirus or is it El Coronavirus? Answer me that. I'm curious. Answer me that. I would love to know. Crap down the block. The other side. We're about to cut up in front of this Tundra. You about to get it. Gonna get it, son. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Ah! Girls in shorts. My kryptonite. Not my kryptonite, something I love. Can't be kryptonite, right? I was here last time, no coronavirus. El semana pasada, watching Narcos, so hit it! Give me the hashtag Espanol. Nah, but growing a facial, you know, stuff on your face, not that fun. Not that fun. If anything, it makes me even more lazy than usual. I don't get how people have, like, you know, hair on their face and live with it every single day of their lives. It feels weird. You can't see your jawline anymore. Everything feels funky. Every time I'm in a closed space, I feel like the door's gonna bust down. The dude from Dateline is gonna pop out. Because, you know, people with beards, you know, they've been in some kinky stuff. Gracias, hombre. Gracias, black hombre. Your brother. Shots that I took. There's no music playing, man. I gotta be my own melody. I gotta be a melody to my own self. That I took. Seeing this camaraderie of cyclists really makes me jealous. The amount of cycles that I see outside, man. The amount of cycles that I see outside and riding out every single day of my life. Seriously, why can't motorcycles be like that? You barely see any. And I know as I'm saying this, you're like, Saiyan, you douchebag, open your eyes. There's two of them right there. It's not the same though, man. Like, this guy's blocked by a Prius, so doesn't even count though. Down the block. But it's a beautiful day today. Tomorrow's gonna rain. It's a Sunday. Today's a Saturday. Tomorrow Sunday's gonna rain. This entire week that's coming up, no rain. But get this. Get this. Next Saturday and Sunday, God is gonna drop a bucket of water up on my ass, because this is crazy. The entire week is no rain, and then all of a sudden on the weekend, when God knows I can ride, is when He's gonna release His, you know, Aquaman on us. I don't know.
my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer to where I belong.